How does the new premium vehicle excise duty affect a lease on an electric vehicle? Let's take a look with the Tesla Model 3. Stay tuned. Hi folks, welcome back. JD here again. Very quick video today, but from April 2025 this year, the road tax or vehicle excise duty rules have changed for EVs and EV owners, and basically it's exactly the same as any other car, pretty much. So for all intents and purposes, if you have a car which is under £40,000, you pay £195 a year. But if that car is £40,000 or over, you pay an additional £400 for the next 5 years after the first renewal. Now, that can affect lease prices quite significantly. So I thought I would just take an example of a car which is just under and just over the premium car threshold of £40,000 a year. And a really good example for that, EV-wise, is the Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive Highland. So if we just take a look at this lot, here is the Model 3 rear-wheel drive Highland, as I say, and interestingly they've now changed the standard colour to either stealth grey or black, so gone are the days where you had to have white. But what I'm going to do is just look at a personal lease, so not business, not salary sacrifice, just a straight personal lease, and we're going to look at what difference it makes going just under or just over that premium car tax threshold. So if we look at this lot, we've got a Model 3 rear-wheel drive, $39,990 retail price, and included in that is now stealth grey or solid black. Okay, so let's take one of these and we'll look at what it would cost on a lease. So if I click on this price here, look, and I'm going to change it to personal contract hire, and we'll make it 1 month down, 8,000 miles a year. Now look at that. It's a bargain, really, this car. £435 per month. Okay. Now, if I then go into this and add a colour that's not grey or black, so if I go back to white, for example, which was the standard colour up until recently, that increases the retail price to about 41, what is it? That's going to increase it to just under 41,300, so 41,290. But look at how much the lease price per month has increased by. It's gone from 436 per month to 506 per month. So it's gone up £70 a month, because not only are we paying for that £1,300 colour option, we're also paying for that premium car tax. So it's a useful comparison look. Now, if you go to a long-range rear-wheel drive at 44,990 with a standard colour, it's £502 per month. So we can get a long-range rear-wheel drive in the standard stealth grey for less per month than a rear-wheel drive with a colour option. 506 per month versus 436, because of that extra £400 a year, if you effectively, over years 2 and years 3. Interesting, isn't it? So if you want the best value electric vehicle Tesla-wise, get a rear-wheel drive and have it in black or grey, because otherwise you're looking at not only that extra price per month for the colour, you're looking at another, what, 50 quid a month or so, 40 quid a month or so to get in that car. Interesting. Okay, I hope that was useful. As always, if you've got any queries, email me here. If you want to get your hands on a copy of my salary sacrifice videos, salary sacrifice spreadsheets or PCP spreadsheets for a one-off donation of £10, send me an email here as well, and you will receive details as to how you can get your hands on a copy. Thanks for watching. Take care.